My name is Branton CAT, reporting live from the police recruitment just took off a few hours ago. With me, dozens of participants showed up for this activity. The order was so lively that the police congratulated all people who took part of it. With me, screening took place where officers checked documents of the participants. Police officers told me that the activity went through from all over from 5 a.m. to 8 p.m. This is how it's going. Reporting back from the studio, my name is Branton CAT. This